I thought you might even use like 2 ponytails. But no? Yeah, you have very like... I have to hair
once
too
the
though.
curls come out, yeah.
Well, so do I. I don't like my ponytails have this right. I'm probably gonna put this on for like music. Don't stir it yet. And she's cutting my hair off.
You know that I kind of
Oh my god, she's cutting my hair.
I had my scissors sharpened just for this. You know that?
You did?
Yeah.
Oh my god, oh my god. I can't believe my mom's not here right now.
Yeah, where is she?
She's at the con. Cry if you want to cry now. No,
There's your hair!
Oh,
Look at the camera! I'm crying. See, that look even.
I was really nervous. Like, I'm glad you did it fast, I guess, because I was like sitting down and I was like, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, and then as soon as it was gone, I was like, all right.
Just sawing through it, it's like, okay, and now that's done.
Guess we're done with that. Is it long? So like from higher on the
Pigtail style.
yeah. High pigtail style.
That's about a foot right there. I'm gonna remove some anyway.
Video camera. Take some video of him being done.
Drop her off at the high school, drop her in his lap.
Oh yeah, I'll put it on Facebook, don't worry. You'll be able to watch it. Rose is my friend on Facebook.
I'm gonna be the teacher.
She'll watch the video. That is oh my god. Poor guy, what the hell is people doing to me? Show's face too. Show's face.
We had one at 14, and he was on and he was saying, she's what
Any good friends? Oh god.
And the one
Is it off
the
yet?
only thing I've ever said to her is, you never give up your girlfriends for a boyfriend, because the boys come and go,
Nice.
but I said the girlfriends you have for the rest of your
Beautiful.
life. So you don't want to, you know, just
One
give
down,
everything
one
up
down.
Yeah.
for a guy. And so when he said to her, you're going to have to make a decision. He said, it's either me or
So cool.
your
I don't know
girlfriend.
exactly what.
And she said, what?
Guys, you should take a picture before.
Yes.
Taking a video too.
Top song.
Where did I what?
Top.
Decide? I think after I got fired. I got fired and I was like, fuck it.
Videotape this beautiful cut.
I can totally have a full hog now.
You can do many things.
Diet pink.
I have.
I already had pink hair.
Somebody else, man.
I'm good with that. That's my one fear. I'm like, what if it's always in my hair?
It's gonna be short enough.
I can't remember.
He's getting style now, right?
This is funny, eh? Just missing some hair right there.
I have to shave my neck now. Dry a lot faster.
Do you ever suffer from headaches?
I never blow dry it. Who do you ask me?
You. Yeah. They'll probably be gone now.
Why?
Sometimes from having so much hair, you get headaches.
Oh my god.
Too much weight.
Do you remember I did it and for years? I wouldn't have any attachments on that bucket.
Wow.
It would just be like the
Straight down to nothing.
Yeah. The only shorter is sticking.
Wow.
Now you gotta be able to make it so long. But now you gotta be able to make it so long.
For now, I'm going to leave a little bit of a rat's tail. Just for now.
What's going on?
Yeah. You use them?
Love it.
Never been so short. No, actually that's a lie. I was born bald, so.
This is funny.
The only reason it's so strong right now is because my hair was so long.
It's long enough right there for a long time.
For some reason I automatically think of movie Hook and what was it, Sandra Bullock, who was Tinkerbell in that movie? She had her hair kind of like I automatically thought of it.
That look reminds me of the old Tron movie.
Really?
The what?
Tron.
Or Girl Interrupted?
Yes, that too, actually.
Yeah. That was a good movie.
Yep.
I have no hair on my head. Cowards. Look like a boy, huh? Crazy
No.
fluffy boy hair. Nothing happens when I shake my head. Nothing moves. I'm like, I'm used to my hair going like this, and it just doesn't. I get dizzy.
Are you dizzy now? Are you okay?
Yeah, okay. Oh, it smells good.
Trying to do a dance party in here. Her mom's not doing good.
Now her mom?
Her mom's sick.
Is she in the hospital?
I don't know.
Up in the mirror.
How did you end up getting that scar?
I had a hole in my eardrum. It's actually a surgery scar. There's the tissue from the top of my ear.